Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is here and now. It's time to be in the present. There's no better place than the present. You've outgrown your past. It doesn't matter what happened in the past. It's over. You can't relive it. You can't change anything. But what you can do is change your present. And being present every day changes your future. You can't worry about what the future is going to hold. Know that you're going to be awarded and rewarded is going to be the greatest things. You're just going to torment yourself waiting. I say that you live now. Do the small steps every single day that can make a difference. The smallest screw on a table, once it's removed, the whole stability of the table will give way. So be in the present, change what you can, see how you're winning each small victory every day, and that will actually change everything in your future. The future does not exist, and I understand the past is gone. I focus on the present moment, and I have the confidence to live again because here and now there's no danger, and everything happens when my soul is ready. When you're ready to live in the now, that's when your futures change. Because you outlived so many things in your past, you're a entirely new being, stronger being, more intelligent being. Enjoy the moment right now as it shapes your future, and you'll guarantee enjoy your future. Love one another, be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.